Mastering time management. Make a priority list. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a vital skill for both your personal and professional lives: how to make a priority list. This strategy is a game changer for managing your tasks efficiently. So, let's explore what it means to make a priority list and how it can significantly improve your time management skills. To make a priority list means to create a list of tasks or activities ranked based on their importance and urgency. This is not just any to-do list. It's an organized plan that helps you focus on what truly needs to be accomplished first. By distinguishing between what is crucial and what can wait, you ensure that your energy and time are spent on tasks that matter most. Making a priority list is essential for several reasons. It helps reduce the feeling of being overwhelmed by tasks, ensures that you are making progress on your most important goals, improves productivity by focusing on high-impact tasks, helps in achieving a better work-life balance by identifying what needs immediate attention and what does not. Creating an effective priority list involves a few key steps. 1. List all your tasks. Write down everything you need to do. 2. Identify urgent versus important. Determine which tasks are urgent, need immediate attention, and which are important, contribute to your long-term goals. 3. Assign priorities. Use a system, like A for high priority, B for medium, and C for low, to assign a priority level to each task. 4. Organize your list. Arrange your tasks starting with the highest priority. 5. Be flexible. Your priority list is not set in stone. Adjust it as new tasks emerge and circumstances change. Be realistic about what you can achieve in a day. Review and update your list regularly to reflect changes in priorities. Focus on one task at a time to maintain quality and efficiency. Use tools like apps or planners that suit your lifestyle to keep your priority list accessible and up to date. Making a priority list is a powerful tool for managing your time effectively. It allows you to navigate your day with clarity, ensuring that you're always working on what's most important. We hope this video has given you valuable insights into creating and utilizing a priority list to enhance your productivity and achieve your goals. Thanks for watching, and remember, planning is the key to success.